This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by DelRoman. New construction block stucco home located minutes from the Villages. This brand new 3-bedroom, 2-bath split floor plan includes stainless steel appliances, an attached 2-car Wi-Fi-enabled garage and private driveway. Beautiful open concept kitchen. Large master suite with a walk-in closet. The great room is ideal for entertaining with cathedral ceilings. Enjoy low-maintenance indoor/outdoor living. Appliances include refrigerator, range with hood, microwave and dishwasher. For more information, review the details below or contact DelRoman at 352-361-1725.